Okay, here's my developing engine facility. You can see I have first generation MTH Rail King Santa Fe Northern that's smoking like crazy. Also a first generation Rail King Allegheny in the in the engine house that's smoking like crazy. There's no power to the rest of the engines, you see. That's why they're not lit up. The Lionmaster Challenger is pulling its 27-car train past the station, and there goes the city of Salina on the inside track. Developing engine house facility, operating session, and plenty of smoke thanks to MTH smoke units and JT's Mega Steam. Good products, fun time, and train operating season. Coming up on videos, now that the premier first generation MTH scale Hudson is operational. We'll team it up with some Lionel Commodore Vanderbilt cars and begin operating that train for a while, and probably give the city of Salina a rest. The inside track is MTH DCS control. The outside track is Lionel Legacy control. So probably the next video will feature the MTH Premier Scale Hudson pulling a Commodore Vanderbilt Concess on the inside track, and we'll probably leave the Lionmaster Union Pacific Challenger pulling its long train on the outside track. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We'll see you again soon, and after the long vacation, we'll be running the Commodore Vanderbilt. Back with that. We'll catch you later. Have safe travels during the holidays.